Welcome to DV Systems channel. At DV Systems, we're committed to providing smart, affordable solutions that enhance security and communication. Today, we'll explore how installing a video intercom system is not just a security upgrade but also a cost-effective investment for your home or business. Security is often viewed as an expense, but it's truly an investment. Traditional methods like employing security personnel or installing separate surveillance systems can be costly, both in upfront and ongoing expenses. A video intercom system, on the other hand, is a one-time investment that delivers long-term savings and offers unparalleled convenience and security. Let's break down how this technology helps you save money while ensuring peace of mind. For businesses or apartment buildings, hiring security guards to monitor entry points can be expensive. With a video intercom system, you can visually verify visitors from a central location or even remotely via a smartphone. This reduces the need for round-the-clock personnel, cutting labor costs significantly. Unauthorized access can lead to theft, vandalism, or even legal issues. A video intercom system acts as a first line of defense. Only verified individuals are granted access, minimizing the risk of security breaches. By preventing incidents, businesses save on potential legal fees, insurance claims, or replacement costs for stolen items. Video intercoms combine multiple functionalities, audio, video, and remote access, into a single device. This eliminates the need for separate systems, reducing equipment costs. Businesses can use the system to communicate with delivery personnel or visitors without leaving their desks. Homeowners can confirm visitors' identities without installing additional surveillance cameras. Modern video intercom systems are built with durability and efficiency in mind. They require minimal maintenance compared to older analog systems or other security measures. Installing a video intercom system increases the value of your property by improving its security and convenience. Attracting tenants or buyers who prioritize safety and modern amenities. Time is money, and video intercom systems save plenty of it. Business owners can avoid interruptions by screening visitors remotely. Homeowners save time by not rushing to answer the door or deal with unsolicited visits. Let's take the case of a multi-unit building in Brooklyn. The property manager was spending over $2,000 monthly on part-time security staff. After installing a video intercom system for under $5,000, the manager eliminated the recurring cost of security staff while ensuring tenants had enhanced security and convenience. Within 3 months, the system paid for itself in savings, and tenants expressed higher satisfaction with the new technology. At DV Systems, we specialize in installing reliable and cost-effective video intercom solutions tailored to your needs. Whether you're upgrading your home or business, our team is here to deliver a seamless experience. Ready to make a smart investment in your security? Call us at 888-501-5885 or visit www.dvcsny.com to schedule a consultation. Let us help you find the perfect video intercom solution that fits your budget and needs. Thank you for watching. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the DV Systems channel for more insights into smart and cost-effective security solutions. Stay tuned for more, and remember, your security is our priority.